greetings in the name of the Most High. Yeah, you know it's Rasta Peanut Farmer. Yeah, man. Yeah, greetings, yeah. Just pull up on the ball field, yeah, you know. Say, I saw hustling with a pan, I saw hustling with a pan, yeah. So more life, more joy, more happiness. Roll out on the ball field, see if we can hustle some peanut right now. You know it's the Crocus Farmer just come from yard, yeah, abroad. Yeah, we are move some things, make some things work, make some ends meet, because the youth them got to eat. So Rasta man have to stay on them feet. So, you know, say, me just sight up and say, me come and just juggle 2 peanut on the ball field, that's one thing, and see what go on. Because so we deal with it. So just stay with me. Right now, I'll show you my industry. Industry where I create right here, so is global distribution facility. I want to show you. See? Alright now, I'm there foreign and I have some raw peanut right now, you know what I say? Yeah. I have some roast peanut right now, I say. Yeah. And I have some pimento. Some dry pimento straight from St. Elizabeth, package out. And as some I do it in the street, I create my industry, because he who fails to get a job for himself fails himself. Marcus Garvey said, real men create their own job. So you're looking at the industry, the distribution process is just kicking off. It's the first year that we are starting out the business. It is the Crocus Farmer, yeah, and this is the Crocus Farmer industry. That's where I start from, the little box, that's so. And we are turning billion, zillion year off 18, and we're gonna feed the people, nourish the people, make sure that everything is right. Stick with me, yeah, while we go inside of the park, also some of these peanut and talk to some of the brethren. More life, more joy, more happiness. Remember, it's Rastafari Soldier, yeah, aka the Crocus Farmer. Yes.